Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to transform numbers into text. This function may be useful to you, for example, when issuing invoices or making payments. For example, we have such invoice and we would like that the number will be reflected in text up here. How to do this? For this, you have to go to your Visual Code by pressing Alt F11 on your keyboard. So this is the code you have to insert. I will leave it below in description of this video, but before inserting this code, at first you have to insert module 1. For this, you have to go to Insert tab and choose here Module. Automatically such window will appear up here. After that, you will copy the code and insert it. Make sure that you save this edit function. After that, you will see that here you will receive such function named num2words. Close this Visual Code. And after that, while putting automatically, let's put here num. As you can see, this function appeared up here. Previously, before adding the code, it wasn't here. num2words, select required cell, close parentheses, press enter, OK. And what if we need to add some parentheses before and after and add a word $? Now we have $510. If I change this number, $490. Let's change to $600. It works. Perfect. Use it, have fun, take care, bye bye.